Alright, if you're working with others on a document, yeah, tracking changes is super important. In this full guide, I'll show you how to track changes in Google Docs inside Google Drive, step by step. First, open your document in Google Docs from your Google Drive. Now, look at the top right corner and switch from editing to suggesting mode. When you type or edit in this mode, your changes appear as suggestions instead of direct edits. Each change will show who made it, along with options to accept or reject. Click the checkmark to accept or the cross icon to reject any suggestion. You can also add comments by selecting text and clicking the comment icon. For a full history, go to File, then Version History, and click See Version History. You can restore any previous version if needed. Super useful if something goes wrong. Google Docs shows who made each change and when, so everything stays transparent. And yeah, that's how you track changes in Google Drive documents. Simple tools, but they make teamwork way smoother.